Dr. Lola Das, Professor and HOD, Department of Anatomy at Amala Institute of Medical Sciences, Thrissur. Well, anatomy until 2025 was taught through dissections and supplemented by didactic lectures, small group discussions. Anatomy being a fundamental component of medical sciences and clinical practice, knowledge of anatomy in depth is essential. And that was when we came to know about the digital platform, Complete Anatomy, and we decided to adopt it from 2025 batch onwards. Anatomy is best learned through visualization. This is where Complete Anatomy helped. We used to give them preview using the platform, take them in for dissection, and then I think it gave them a clearer view or a clearer concept of what they were seeing that day. Complete Anatomy offers flexibility. That is one thing great about it. Once dissected, you cannot revert back. You cannot start all over again. So with Complete Anatomy, even if they were not present on that particular class, they could go through it step by step and understand the concepts. A tactile experience is a must. What we found was that a shift from scalpel to screen definitely enabled their learning. They could analyze it, they could reflect, and of course, the result was definitely better.
For teaching how they see the computer assisted films like CT scans or MRIs, because most of them are not going to see dead bodies. They will see the CT scans or MRIs. And to teach this, we needed both these videos as well as the dissected specimens together. And it's not easy to make the students to run from lecture hall to dissection hall and back. That would waste our time. So we did this, and when I gave the pre-test and post-test, the pre-test they will get 3 or 4 out of 10, and in the post-tests they were getting 9 and 10 out of 10. So that made a difference, both the students as well as me. Finally, when I took the feedback, I was afraid what they will write. So they written that they enjoyed the classes with Complete Anatomy also, and they wrote to me that they were very happy with the post-test. So that gave them the idea that how much they were learning in each class. It is feedback for themselves also. So Complete Anatomy is very helpful in this manner. The students are liking it, the staff are also liking it. So it's very nice for us, such a method of teaching.
During early times, for teaching anatomy, we used to use a lot of pictures, a lot of diagrams at different angles. But actually it took a lot of time. It was time consuming and it was energy consuming for the students as well as the teachers. But now we use Complete Anatomy, which provides a lot of 3D models with high clarity and high anatomic specifications, so that helps us to make the concept more clearer to the students. They can use this Complete Anatomy as a companion, as the teacher with them always. So even after their classes, they can go to their hostels, they can move to their homes, and even in buses, while they travel also, they will be able to use the Complete Anatomy as a part of learning. Actually, after starting the usage of Complete Anatomy, students started to come to classes well prepared than earlier. So they started to ask some sensible questions. So they started to actively participate in discussion around the table of dissection table or even during lectures.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a first year medical student in Amala Medical College, Thrissur. I have been using Complete Anatomy for my studies. I use it regularly during my dissection and lecture classes. Complete Anatomy provides a really good tool for visualizing the relations of different structures, and I found it really helpful when learning bones, because during lecture classes, bones are being taught for a group of 20 students. So each and every student might not be able to see all the structures clearly. So in that case, I come back home and use this tool to visualize the structures, the attachments, the tubercles, the condyles. All those things can be learned very efficiently.